Hello everybody, my name is Iuri Sanson and this is the video number 3, 2 minutes vocal practicing, okay? We choose here Electric Eye by Judas Priest. That's what I call practicing, having fun. This song is good also to warm up your vocals, okay? Let's do this, people, come on! Up here in space, I'm looking down on you. Your turn. My lasers trace everything you do. Come on. I'm made of metal. I'm made of metal. My circuits gleam. Go. My circuits gleam. You go. Alright, very good. Now let's sustain a little bit our vocals. Let it flow. Feel your abs intensity and let's go. Electric eye. You go. In the sky. Go. Alright. This is the end of the song. Protected, detecting, electric eye. Now it's your turn, get ready. 1, 2. Very good, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.